Central banks around the world are racing to develop central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and Ripple is right at the center of this transformation. Governments and financial institutions are searching for a fast, low-cost and efficient way to move money across borders, and XRP is emerging as the top solution. Some nations are already testing Ripple's technology, while others are quietly exploring how XRP could act as a bridge currency between digital and traditional finance. This is bigger than just another crypto adoption story. If XRP is integrated into the financial systems of major economies, it could become the key asset for global transactions. But why are central banks turning to Ripple? And what does this mean for XRP's price and future? Today we break down which nations are considering XRP for their digital currencies, how Ripple's technology is changing global banking, and what XRP holders need to know about this financial revolution. The global financial system is undergoing a massive shift. Traditional banking networks are slow, expensive, and outdated, making it harder for governments to keep up with the digital economy. To solve this, central banks worldwide are developing central bank digital currencies, which are digital versions of their national currencies. But the big challenge is how to connect these CBDCs across different countries. Right now, international transactions rely on SWIFT and outdated banking systems that can take days to process payments and come with high fees. CBDCs are meant to fix this, but most central banks don't have a clear solution for cross-border transfers. That's where blockchain technology and XRP come in. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, XRP was designed specifically for fast, low-cost transactions. Ripple's on-demand liquidity, ODL, system allows banks and payment providers to move money instantly between different currencies without needing pre-funded accounts. This makes it an ideal solution for CBDC interoperability, allowing different digital currencies to be exchanged instantly and efficiently. Governments and financial institutions know they need a system that works globally. That's why many are looking at Ripple's technology to power the next generation of banking. But how involved is Ripple in this CBDC movement? Let's break down Ripple's growing role in central bank partnerships and how it could reshape the financial system. As central banks rush to develop CBDCs, one name keeps coming up, Ripple. Unlike many crypto projects, Ripple has been actively working with governments, financial institutions, and regulatory bodies to integrate its technology into the global financial system. And now it's becoming clear that XRP could play a major role in the future of digital money. Ripple's on-demand liquidity ODL system is already being used by banks and payment providers to settle international transactions in seconds. This same system could be applied to CBDCs, allowing central banks to exchange digital currencies instantly without needing traditional banking infrastructure. Ripple has already formed strategic partnerships with central banks and financial regulators worldwide. In 2023, Ripple announced its CBDC platform, which allows central banks to create, manage, and distribute digital currencies using blockchain technology. Unlike other crypto solutions, Ripple's technology is fully scalable and can be customized for government-level financial systems. But what makes XRP so important in this? Unlike stablecoins or private digital assets, XRP is neutral. It isn't tied to any single country or government. This makes it an ideal bridge currency for settling transactions between different CBDCs. If central banks integrate Ripple's technology for cross-border payments, XRP could become the global standard for transferring digital money. So which countries are already working with Ripple? And could XRP really become the backbone of national digital currencies? Let's look at the nations that are seriously considering XRP for their CBDCs. Several countries have already started exploring Ripple's technology for their central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, while others are quietly testing its potential. As more governments shift towards blockchain-based financial systems, XRP could play a major role in how money moves across borders. One of the biggest developments came when Ripple announced partnerships with multiple central banks to help build and test CBDCs. The Bhutan Royal Monetary Authority was one of the first to officially collaborate with Ripple, using its CBDC platform to explore a digital version of the Bhutanese ngultrum. This was a major signal that governments are taking Ripple's technology seriously. Another key player is Palau, which is also working with Ripple to explore a national digital currency. Palau's government sees blockchain as a way to improve financial inclusion and create a more efficient payment system for its citizens. With Ripple's help, Palau is developing a stable and secure digital currency framework. Beyond these official partnerships, several major economies are showing signs of interest. The European Central Bank, ECB, and several Asian nations are actively researching interoperable digital currencies. Since Ripple is already working with financial institutions across these regions, many believe XRP could serve as a bridge asset for different CBDCs. But why XRP? Governments and central banks need a solution that is fast, scalable, and cost-effective. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, XRP transactions settle in seconds with minimal fees. If multiple nations adopt Ripple's system for cross-border CBDC transfers, XRP could become a critical part of global banking infrastructure. So, with all these developments, what do financial experts think about XRP's future? Could these partnerships lead to a major price surge? Let's take a look at what analysts are saying about XRP's role in global finance. With Ripple making moves in the CBDC and global banking sector, financial experts are starting to take XRP's role in the future of money more seriously. Some believe that XRP could become the backbone of digital finance, while others remain skeptical about how fast adoption will happen. But one thing is clear, Ripple is positioning itself as a major player in the financial world. Top analysts have pointed out that XRP's technology is far ahead of most other cryptocurrencies when it comes to real-world banking solutions. Unlike Bitcoin, which is seen as a store of value, or Ethereum, which is focused on smart contracts, XRP was designed for fast and efficient money transfers. If central banks and financial institutions integrate XRP into their systems, demand for the asset could rise dramatically. Technical analysts are also watching XRP's price closely. Many believe that institutional adoption is the key factor that could trigger a major rally. On-chain data shows that large investors or whales have been accumulating XRP, which often signals that a big move is coming. If CBDC adoption becomes a reality, we could see XRP's price surge as financial institutions start using it at scale. However, some experts remain cautious. They argue that while Ripple's technology is being tested, full-scale adoption will take time. Regulatory clarity is still a major factor, especially in regions like the US, where Ripple is fighting ongoing legal battles. Until there is a clear global framework for crypto assets, some institutions may hesitate to fully integrate XRP. That being said, Ripple's expansion in Europe and Asia is proving that the company is making real progress. With banks already using RippleNet and governments testing its CBDC solutions, it's becoming harder to ignore XRP's growing influence in global finance. So, what should XRP holders do next? Should they prepare for a massive price shift? Or is there still a long road ahead? Let's break down what investors need to watch in the coming months. With XRP gaining momentum in global banking, there are several key developments that investors need to keep an eye on. The next few months could be critical in determining whether XRP becomes a core part of the financial system or if more hurdles will slow its adoption. First, watch for new central bank partnerships. Ripple has already secured deals with Bhutan and Palau, but if larger economies like the European Union or Japan officially adopt XRP for cross-border CBDC settlements, demand for XRP could skyrocket. Any announcements from major financial institutions or central banks integrating Ripple's technology could be a game changer. Second, pay attention to regulatory decisions. While Europe has taken a clear stance on crypto regulation with MiCA, markets in crypto assets, other regions like the US are still creating uncertainty. If Ripple secures full legal clarity in major markets, institutional investors could flood into XRP, driving the price higher. Third, look for signs of increasing adoption from banks and payment providers. Ripple's on-demand liquidity ODL system is already being used by Santander, Standard Chartered,